Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about the first of India's Kochi water metro, the first ever water metro that has been started in India in the state of Kerala. So let us first look at the timeline. First we'll be looking at the news, then about what is Kochi water metro, then water metro link with metro rail project of Kochi, then about the boats, routes and terminals, and the first phase of water metro that has been started. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is infrastructure portion. So majorly this is important whenever the question comes that what are the new developments that has taken place when it comes to the infrastructure segment, and this is one of the major developments which has happened in Kerala because this has been waiting since a very long period of time. So you need to know about that what is Kochi water metro and what are its special features. So let's see the news. The news has been taken from Indian Express, and this says PM Modi inaugurates Kochi water metro. What is this public boat service? As it is saying that it is a boat service, and it's a public boat service which has been started by the government of Kerala, and it is a boat service which will take people from one point to another point. Now look at few of the pictures of the Kochi water metro. This is how it looks like. Just see the metro. I'll tell you about the special features also. This is exactly how it looks like, and these are few of the pictures that is from inside the Kochi water metro, and this is exactly on how the Kochi metro is, and this is on the same lines it has been designed as the Kochi metro, and this is how it looks like, or how people would be able to get onto the water metro and get off from the water metro. Now let's talk about that what has happened. So PM Narendra Modi on April 25 has inaugurated the first phase of the Kochi water metro. So till now the first services of the Kochi water metro has already started, and people have shown their love towards it and have flocked into huge numbers. And this will be first of its kind public boat service in India integrated with a metro rail network. First, whenever something is first, it becomes very important and special, and this would be the first water metro service in India, and this will be integrated because the water metro service is on the line of the metro rail network or project which is going on since 2017 in Kochi. So the water metro coaches has exactly been designed as the Kochi metro project. Now first let us look at the location of Kochi. Okay, this is India's map, and in India's map the southernmost portion we will see that the state of Kerala is there, which shares its border with the Arabian Sea. So this is how the state of Kerala looks like geographically. And then when we will see the location of Kochi in the map of Kerala, then Kochi lies also on the southern part of Kerala, and this is the location of Kochi in Kerala's map. Now let's talk about what is Kochi water metro. Then it is a project which is being implemented by the Kochi Metro Rail Corporation Limited with the assistance of a German funding agency. Important point you need to know that, and the question can also be asked, that the Kochi water metro is being drawn or is being assisted by which other country? Then the country is Germany, and it include boats which are hybrid, battery powered, it means they are electric, air conditioner, AC is there, and disabled friendly. A very good and a welfare step that disabled friendly services are there. Then this will operate on water bodies like any other ferry or traditional boat service, as the other projects of boat services are also working in Kerala, but those are not working very well because they are designed and are operated by the private players. So many a times it has been seen that the fees is or the cost is very high and the services that are provided are not up to the mark. So now this time the government has to get on the board and has to provide some really good services, because this water metro will serve one of the biggest problems of Kerala, that is to be able to link the other islands, and the people from those islands, they will be able to travel to Kochi, which is the commercial hub of Kerala. And these boats or water metros have the modern facilities, enhanced safety and security measures. Safety and security measures is one of the prime reasons that the traditional boat service was not preferred by people. And these boats have been constructed by the Cochin Shipyard Limited. It means the boats are also constructed in the state of Kerala. Now let's talk about water metro link with metro rail. So what is the link between the metro rail which is going on in Kochi and water metro that has recently been started in the city of Kochi? Now Kochi water metro has been envisaged as a feeder service of the Kochi metro rail. So it means they will be working almost in collaboration, and the Kochi water metro has been taken an imprint from the Kochi metro rail. And the Kochi metro rail was operational since the year 2017. So the boat terminals, passenger entry and exit gates, ticket counters and safety measures are same as the metro rail service. So they had to inculcate what was already established in their state and in the city of Kochi, and it was performing really well also. So the services of the Kochi metro was inculcated into the water metro, and much of the R&D was also not required in these segments. Then all jetties feature electronic display boards about boat service, and because the electronic display board, the passengers will find it easy to just see and go to their respective places and gate numbers from where they will be able to get on board their jetties. Then announcements will be made in languages English, Hindi and Malayalam. So these are the languages when the water metro services will go on its full-fledged frequency, then the announcements will be made in these three languages. Now let's talk about the boats, routes and terminals. Then these water metros will operate in the backwaters of Kochi, as Kerala is very famous for its backwaters, and we know about the Wayanad backwater, Vembanad backwaters. So these water metro will operate in the backwaters of Kochi. Then connecting 10 nearby islands with the mainland of Kochi. Now what happens at present is that the islands which is nearby Kochi, because the services or the jet services or the water boat services are not that good, so people find it difficult to commute from one point to Kochi, because they come to Kochi to find work, as Kochi is the commercial hub of Kerala. So they come to Kochi for work, but because of the not up to date or improper services, or the boat transport services were not good, so they find it very difficult to commute. But now after coming of the water metro project and the water metro jetties or the water metro services, this problem of people commuting from the side by islands to Kochi will be solved. Then this project is envisaged with 38 jetties, 78 boats covering a distance of 76 kilometers. It means it is not that only the nearby places would be covered, because 76 kilometers is a lot of distance. And a few of the features of these jetties, as I've already told you, that this is electronic, this is hybrid in nature, disabled friendly, and then it is non-polluting because it is electronic in nature, battery powered boats, noise free, so noise pollution won't be there. And one of the most important point is that it produces low waves, because the frequency of water metro services would be large in the coming time, and if these boats will produce large waves, then this will make it difficult for the other jetties or the other boats which are also moving in the same waters to move properly, because creation of large waves in the waters might be harmful for the other boats. So the low waves production is one of the most important features, and which was lying and which was not there with the traditional ferries. Then recharging facilities have been provided in all terminals so that the frequency of the water metro services does not get hampered if any of the terminal is not working. Then each boat can carry 100 passengers and has the sitting capacity of 50 people. So 50 people sitting capacity, and few of them can also stand. Then first phase of water metro, which has recently been started. The initial operation will be on 2 routes. So initially the water metro services has been started on 2 routes just to see that whether things are moving nicely or not. And on the first round of the water metro, people have shown their love towards this project by the Kerala government because they have flocked into huge numbers. Then the first 2 water metro services which has been going on is from High Court to Waipin. So we will look at this is the map of water metro service. So first is this from High Court to Waipin. This is the first water metro, and second is from Vaitila to Kakanad streets. So this is Kakanad and this is Vaitila. This is the route of second water metro service, and total 8 boats will be part of the service along these 2 routes. So these 2 are the prescribed routes on which in the first phase the water metro services would be working, and in total 8 boats will be there, and this will work as at an interval of 15 minutes, and the timings would be 7 AM to 8 PM. So any of you who stays in Kerala and especially in Kochi can go and experience this, because I think this is an amazing step which has been taken by the government of Kerala to solve the commutation problem of people from moving from the nearby island to the Kochi. Now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And the question says, consider the following statement regarding the Kochi water metro. First, it includes boats that are hybrid, battery powered, air conditioned and disabled friendly. You should be able to solve this. Second, boats have been designed as coaches of Kochi metro. Third, recharging facilities for boats have not been provided till now. You have to tell me about the correct answer, and the codes are 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So try to solve the answer and give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.